At AdventHealth, mission is more than what we say. It is how we serve, how we lead, and how we care. The M Project recognizes teams who bring that mission to life every day, motivated by mission. Here at Palm Coast Parkway, the Rehab team is recognized for helping patients move forward with strength, encouragement, and hope.
The purpose of the Rehab team is to provide purpose, function, and hope for our patients, and I think they do a great job at it every day.
I'm motivated by mission because every step forward matters and we get to be part of that progress.
I'm motivated by mission when I help my patients gain their confidence, their independence, not just movement.
What motivates me, it mostly is seeing the patients progress, especially in acute care setting, working with a team and interdisciplinary care with doctors and everybody else, seeing the patient progress, get back to their independent level, and feel good.
My ministry shows up when I encourage my patients, celebrate their progress, and support them through their hard work of recovery.
What is special about my team is we are truly a family. Everyone comes in, we care about each other, and day to day we know the ins and outs of each other's lives. We share our accomplishments, our happiness, our sadness. We're just truly a family that can truly lean on each other.
We all work as a team here. We're a great team, like our family.
My team's special because we all get to work together to see the progress of the patients and build compassion with those patients.
I would say the most special thing about my team is their cohesiveness. It really is a family here at the hospital. They are brothers and sisters, and because they have such a connection, they're able to carry on their purpose and their mission with our patients in a higher level. The Winning the M project is demonstrating how our team comes together and works together for one purpose, the benefit of the patient.
Through their encouragement, compassion, and purpose, the Palm Coast Parkway Rehab team shows what it means to be motivated by mission